Life moves fast. We get it. But even with a packed schedule, eating healthy food is important. Good food gives you energy and keeps your body strong. Simple recipes are key for busy people. You don't need to be a chef to cook healthy meals. Fresh ingredients make a big difference. They taste great and are packed with nutrients. Let's dive into some quick and tasty recipes. These dishes use minimal ingredients and are ready in a flash. First up is Speedy salmon and veggies. Salmon is a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. Next, we have one-pan chicken delight. This recipe is perfect for easy cleanup. Finally, we'll whip up a flavor-packed veggie stir-fry. It's a great way to enjoy seasonal vegetables. Ingredients: *1 salmon fillet, 1 cup chopped broccoli florets, half a cup cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the salmon fillet, broccoli and cherry tomatoes in a baking dish. 3. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. 4. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Ingredients: 1 boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 bell pepper, sliced, half an onion, sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the chicken breast, bell pepper and onion in a baking dish. 3. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. 4. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Welcome to Section 5 Flavor-Packed Veggie Stir-Fry. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of chopped vegetables like broccoli, carrots or snap peas, 1 clove of garlic, minced and soy sauce to taste. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by heating the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped vegetables and minced garlic. Stir-fry everything for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender crisp. Finally, season with soy sauce to taste. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy veggie stir-fry. These recipes are designed for speed and simplicity. Here are more tips to make healthy eating even easier. Chop veggies ahead of time and store them in containers for grab-and-go cooking. Also, cook extra portions. Leftovers are perfect for lunch the next day. Incorporate healthy eating into your busy life with these simple habits. Plan your meals by spending a few minutes each week planning your meals. Keep healthy snacks on hand like nuts, fruits and yogurt. And of course, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated throughout the day. Don't let a busy schedule stop you from eating well. Healthy cooking can be easy and enjoyable. These recipes are just the beginning. Experiment with different vegetables, spices and protein sources. Cooking is a wonderful way to nourish your body and mind. It's a chance to be creative and try new things. So grab some fresh ingredients, put on some music, and enjoy the process of creating delicious and healthy meals.